What I'm not filling out is B and D and C. Although this is stuff that you would definitely fill out. Do you guys remember when I was talking to you guys about checks and like the bottom of checks and the numbers? Okay, this is my checkbook. Oh no, look, you're gonna see information about me, terrifying. This number right here, this is called the routing number. This identifies what bank I'm at, and this one is my actual account number. So when you're asked where you want this money to go, you fill in those numbers right there so they can deposit it directly into your checking account. But we're not gonna write anything in there right now because this is a fake thing, but you would definitely fill that out when you get a refund because you want the money to go into your bank account. Okay, we don't need to fill out this part at all because we don't owe anything. Finally, it says, do you want to allow another person to discuss this return with the IRS? You could write your parents' name in there, I guess, if you really want to, but usually what this is designated for is you writing your accountant's name if somebody else is doing your taxes for you. So like if somebody's doing your taxes for you, their name would go there, okay? And then you sign. And you say today's date. Today's date is 5/2. Your occupation. What are we? A toilet maker? And that's it. If you're married, your spouse would sign here if this was a joint tax return. And if somebody was making these taxes for you, like your accountant, they would sign here because they did your taxes for you. And that is how you do federal taxes. State taxes are way easier. We're going to start those on Monday. But what you're going to do today and tomorrow is now you're going to do your own taxes with your partner. I've created another W-2, another 1099. You've got this one, which is our practice sheet, right? So you can reference this. And you guys are just going to sit next to each other and do this. Do you have to look up and Google all the same things we did before?
No.
No. So this actually is going to go very fast. Like this is going to maybe be done in 15 minutes where you're searching for how much money did I make at this job? That kind of thing. Yep.
Are we supposed to mark them down as our spouse?
No.
Like,
But that's an adorable question. No, I want you each to do your own tax return, not. Okay, so I'm going to hand these out. Who's Lavin's partner?
Linda Daddy.
Oh,
Yeah, it
well that works out.
was. So he gave me this one.
No.
Did that sheet? Oh, yeah.
Oh my God.
Oh, I know there is three. Sorry. I was like.
Okay, so here's a new 1040. You're gonna, remember, you don't have to Google anything this time around. This is exactly the same. I have, for you, I made you a W-2 and I made you a 1099. So it's the exact same situation. You're single, you don't have any children, you're not going to college, anything like that. This time your name is Tom. Tom T. Taxpayer. And you live at 123 Street Road. In Anywhere, Minnesota. And your bank is called, hey, honey, your bank is called the Super Cool Bank
Whoa.
at 888 Nevermind Avenue. I'm enjoying this. Can you tell? Sorry. And you'll have today and tomorrow to work on this. Okay, let's just look at this really quick together. Which one is the W-2? The top one or the bottom one? The bottom one. Can you write job next to the bottom one? That's your job. What's the top one then? That's the bank. Yep, so write bank on the top one and job on the bottom one. It looks like this year, how much did you make at your job at Top Company? $98,500. Dang, you're doing pretty good. How much did they take out for your federal taxes? $15,000. I hope that covers it. Super Cool Bank, you also paid $5,641 in interest. Looks like you got a pretty sweet life. What do you think your job is? let you guys make that up. But you do have to write what your job is down here, right? We had to write your occupation, we wrote toilet maker for the last one, so come up with something fun. All right, who is, no, Riley's over there. Okay, so go sit by your partner.
Come here, baby.
Natalie's your partner. Or maybe Taya and Riley would be a good choice. You wanna go with Natalie? Okay. If you've got questions, call me over and I'll be happy to help.
So you write our name or Tom P. Cat?
We're doing taxes for Tom P. taxpayer, so write that in there. He must be, this must be, he just, probably just,